This is Eve Einstein wishing her son, Sing Birdsong, a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sing. Happy birthday to you. There's a bald eagle and a nightingale. They sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. There's a projection of band Jealousy, electronic music genius. Projected himself as Sly Stone, psychedelic funk, being as Superman. Sing Birdsong being as Jimi Hendrix, the greatest instrumentalist in the history of rock music. Sing Birdsong drove his motorcycle from New York City to Los Angeles by himself. He says, it's like riding a motorcycle is like a bear riding a shark. Sing Birdsong was performed at the Tibetan Freedom Music, Freedom Festival. And over there, can't see it because my books are there. It was in surfing in Maui with Luscious Jackson. Here he is as Jimi Hendrix playing the guitar. Here he is as Jimi Hendrix jumping on an airplane. He was a Screaming Eagle, member of the 101st Airborne Division, paratrooper. Here he is as Jimi Hendrix. He was Mozart, the child prodigy. Okay? He was King Saul. Sing Birdsong as President President Harry S. Truman. The buck stops here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. He'll be as George Gershwin, the classical and jazz musical genius composer. His father, he was the only child. Here he is with his father. His 2 years old. He was the only biological child of Edwin Birdsong, who be as Bach, Johann Sebastian Bach, and Irving Berlin, who wrote White Christmas and America the Beautiful. Here he is singing Jim Shell Birdsong song from his album What It Is, called It Ain't No Fun Being a Welfare Recipient, before hundreds of thousands of people at the rally for poor people in Washington, D.C. This picture was on the front cover of the New York Times. Here's a cover picture of their album, What It Is. Can't see it, it's blurred. His hair, people modeled his hair, started wearing his hairstyle. This is his second album, Supernatural. Started wearing their hair plaited when they saw the image his wife, Michelle Birdsong, had created for the album What It Is. Okay? I think that's all the pictures I have. Okay, so once more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Singh. Happy birthday to you. He's standing here with Rick Kelly. He, Singh collected the beams from our 100-year-old tenement and brought them to Rick Kelly, and he fashioned a guitar out of it. He handcrafted a guitar. Rick Kelly also makes handcrafted guitars for Bob Dylan. Let's see, I had pictures. Here's part of the guitar. Here. And where's the other part of it? Here's Singh is singing. Where's the other part of it? I guess it's covered. Oh, here's the other part of the guitar when Rick was making it. Okay? So thank you for wishing Singh Birdsong a happy birthday with me. So that's when he was a little 5-year-old kid. They were planting herbs in our next door neighbor's flower box, Mrs. Negrin, an Italian grandmother, when we lived in Hollis, Queens. Okay, so long.